Hi, Eva. This is a screencast where I want to go through your questions. I saw your screenshot, and I will say that this is not an error message. This is a notice. And if you see here, it says notice. So what the notice is, it tells us when variables are being used where they're not defined. Okay? And the reason why these variables are not defined is because the submit button has not been pressed yet. So what we can do to fix that, and I'm going to go ahead and go to my code here. I have my display errors on, which is irrelevant, but if you see this line in any of my work in class, you'll see error reporting EALL. That covers warnings, notices, and fatals. But as we go through here, name's not defined because there's no value from the post. Same with gender, same with year in school, same with hobbies, same with comments. And so what happens is I have this happening, okay? And I also have this invalid argument for each. That's a warning, but there's nothing fatal about this, okay? So what we can do is put this on condition of submit. So I can say something like submit equals, and we'll go to the submit button, and you see it has a name field of submit, and it equals submit data. So I'm going to go ahead and scalar underscore post submit data, and it's got to be like this, okay? So that would equal the value of that section. So I can say something like, okay, if submit, oopsie, is equal to, I'm sorry, this is submit here. If it's equal to submit data, then we can put all those values in the condition, okay? So when I do this and I hit save and I hit refresh, I get this. So all of a sudden my errors go away. Now, I'm probably going to post this for everybody just because it's a good thing to have. So now when I do this, let's say I do Chris and C-Core, male, I'll be a freshman, and I do test, I get that because it's input type email. And I'll hit submit data, and we're looking pretty good at this point. This still came in as an array, so we have our answers concluded, okay? So for Eva, I'm going to put this on YouTube for everybody, and thank you for doing the question, and I will go ahead and answer your other questions in a separate screencast, okay?